Good morning, we're switching things up today. I am out in the wild. I wanted to prove to you guys that I do leave my house every now and then. So we're doing a little Target run. I clearly have issues and think that I need to go to Target every few days. If you saw my last video, you would know that I went maybe 3-4 days ago. We have more things that we need to get, so here we are. I'm conquering one of my fears today and vlogging with the camera in public. Wish me luck. I can do this. I am strong. I am a girl boss. I am not scared of what strangers think about me. I honestly just need a good hype up before I go in. I saw this life coach and she said that one of the best ways to get out of bed in the morning is just go 1, 2, 3 up. You can't even think about it. You just get up and get your day moving, because she was like, obviously no one wants to get up in the morning. Everyone just wants to lay and rot and take their time and scroll on TikTok. If you just 1, 2, 3 go, your brain can't think about it. So 1, 2, 3, let's do this. The thing is, nobody cares, and honestly, these people don't know if they have 3 million followers or not. Even though in reality, there's like 200 of you watching my vlogs. They don't know. I can't remember if I need toothpaste or not. I feel like I don't, but if I do, I'll just steal some of Dallas's. One of the amazing things about having a boyfriend. I've been wanting to try some protein drinks in the morning. I feel like this would be really nice before Pilates. I'm gonna do the caramel flavor. On my list, we have milk, snack plates, soap refill, and eggs. We probably need more than that. I really love the Mrs. Meyer's. We usually do the lavender. I'm gonna get 2 of these because I've been just using these refill bottles to fill the soaps all over the house because it's so much cheaper than buying a new bottle of soap every single time. Ooh, do they have cute Valentine's Day things? They have this little table runner, which honestly could be cute. I normally never decorate for Valentine's Day, but if they have cute stuff, I'm not opposed. I feel like this one's cuter. I think I'm gonna do this one instead. Oh my god, this serving bowl is kind of everything. How chic. Are you kidding me? They also have these little heart ice cube trays. This is really pretty too, but I feel like I have so many platters. Oh my god, a little fondue set. They have so many cute things, but I feel like I can live without the rest. I was considering checking out all of the other kitchen stuff, but I feel like I'm gonna save myself. Let's see if any of these strawberries look good. Honestly, yeah, I'm gonna get some. Also gonna get some more of these mini trash bags. We use those to scoop the kitty poopies. We need some milk. You guys already know I'm an oat milk girl. I'm also gonna get Dallas some almond milk because I feel like he's running low too. It's been so hard to find eggs recently. Oh my god, they have the White Lotus flavors. I think I have to try these for a video. Love being a content creator so much because I can lie to myself and gaslight myself into pretending like everything I do is work. Literally, I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna try these coffee creamers for a video. I'm like, bitch, you just want to try the coffee creamers, admit it. I love these little bistro bites. They're really good for weekday lunches. I did just want to take this time to share that vlogging in public is not as scary as I thought. I'm honestly so confident right now. Really need some Ken Caesar dressing. That is what we're missing. The best. They have little Fun Buddy cupcakes. That could be fun. Maybe I'll get these. I know we're gonna stay home for Valentine's Day, so this could be fun for us to bake together. Even though I've never had a Valentine until last year, growing up it was always one of my favorite holidays just because I love all of the colors, the theme, the vibe. It's so cute and aesthetic. Oh my god. Lunchables gummy. We're getting these. What? This is so cute. Okay, I'm getting one of these too. This is why I shouldn't be allowed to go to a Target alone. Dallas should always be with me. He makes me reel it in a little bit more. I got some really cute Valentine's Day Legos for us too the other day. I'm excited to build. This could maybe be fun. I'll get this one, the ultimate date night game. I feel like since I'm here and he's not with me, I should also get him a Valentine's Day card, and this kind of looks like Alvin and Olive, which is so cute. So we're gonna get this. I'm not kidding. I came here for 3 things. How is my cart this full? All the little Valentine's Day cat things are so cute. Oh, I was gonna get Olive a new toy, but they're like pretty much sold out of all the dog ones. I'm not kidding. This will literally last her 4 minutes, but it's so cute, so I'm gonna get it anyway. Okay, that has to be the end of this haul. We have to get out of here before I spend everything I have. Last thing, I'm also gonna get this little Stay Golden notebook because I want a journal just solely for content ideas for me to execute, because I don't want to be flipping through like content ideas and then go into me like spilling out my feelings like a diary prompt. So we're gonna get a separate journal for work. I just got home, unloaded all the groceries and everything. I made myself a coffee. I haven't tried the White Lotus flavors yet. I feel like I'm gonna do that later today or tomorrow. However, I did try the brown butter chocolate chip cookie dough cold foam. That shit is crack. This is so good. It just elevated my at-home coffee so much I can't even explain it. That's so good. It's a few hours later and now we're at my Botox appointment. I got Botox about a month or 2 ago, but I feel like we need a little up on the amount of units that we're doing in my face. We've done the same amount for a really long time. I just need a little bit more in my bunny lines, and then I also feel like this brow sits a little bit higher than this one when my face is relaxed, but then when I'm talking, this brow goes up higher. There's just a few little nitpicky type things that I've been noticing in my videos, so we're just gonna touch these up. Botox went really good. It was honestly the fastest appointment ever since I was just getting a little touch up. I think I was there for 4 minutes. Didn't even have time to film. That's how in and out I was. I came home, made myself another coffee, which I'm really curious, how much caffeine is too much caffeine? In the morning, I have 2 double shot lattes. Then in the afternoon, sometimes I do a double, sometimes I do a single. Today I did a single. I've been just sitting at my desk working, doing some editing. I've edited all of the footage that I filmed this morning, so I'm really on top of it, which makes me feel good. I need to leave for Pilates in a little less than an hour. This is my first ever nighttime class. I usually prefer working out in the mornings always because I feel like it's such a good way to get up, get my body moving, and get the day started. But recently I've just noticed that it takes me so long to start working when I go to Pilates in the morning. I like doing a 9:30, 10:30 class. I go for an hour, come home, need to shower, make breakfast, get ready. That doesn't put me in the glam room till like noon to start working, which is just so late. So I decided to take a 5:15 class. I've also been kind of experiencing some late night blues recently. I think it's just because I primarily work from home. I don't really hang out with anyone other than Dallas, so I'm just home constantly 24/7, which I love to a certain extent, and I'm super grateful that I don't have to drive all around town anymore and do a million clients a day. I just need to try and get myself out of the house when I'm not here working. Not sure if this will help with my little seasonal depression moment that I'm going through, or if it'll just make me more productive during the day since I'm not working out during work hours. I don't know, we're gonna try it and see what I think. I might love it, I might hate it. I'm gonna go hang out with Dallas on the couch for a little bit, then head off to class. I just got home from Pilates. I am so sore. It's literally so hard for me to even hold the camera right now. Dallas and I are gonna run to Trader Joe's because we don't really have any food. I'm gonna spritz on some perfume because I feel really smelly, honestly. I was sweating so much in that class. I normally don't sweat that much, but the teacher was so hard. I also just don't understand because I've been doing Pilates every 2 or 3 days, and you would think that I would build a tolerance and it would get easier over time. I swear it's getting harder. Stinky. I am stinky. It's true. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's, get some food for dinner and just to have throughout the week as well. And I'll give you guys a little haul when we get home. We just got back from Trader Joe's and we honestly got a lot of groceries tonight. You already know the drill. We're gonna do a haul. I've been trying to eat a little bit healthier recently, so I got some of these Go macro bars just because I feel like they're so good to have on the go. This would be great before a Pilates class, afternoon snack. I say I'm eating healthier, then I bust out the cheese tortellini. Life is all about balance, am I right? We also got these mini French baguettes. I've heard so many good things about these on TikTok, but we've never tried them before. Chicken bacon ranch dip, obviously best dip ever. Orange chicken, rice. I just got sent a blender recently, so I really want to start making smoothies from home too. We just got frozen strawberries and blueberries. Corn dippers. Cinnamon squares. This is the Trader Joe's version of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and it's so good. Honestly, we think this is better. Apples and cinnamon oatmeal. So good and so easy to make. I love instant oatmeal. Dallas got some pancake mix. Then we also got some oats because we're gonna try and start making overnight oats at home too. Let me know if you guys have any really good recipes for that. We always get tons of little snacky type things at the end where they have all of the stuff by the register. We got these snack clusters that have potato chips, corn chip dippers, pretzel nuggets mixed in milk chocolate. This sounds so good. I love a mix of sweet and salty, so I feel like I'm gonna be obsessed with these. These are so good. Got our favorite bread. I got bananas for my smoothies and then just to have as snacks as well. 2 bags of chopped romaines, chocolate and peanut butter lovers nut mix. Olive thinks that all of these are for her. She's literally sitting at my feet like drooling right now. When she wants something, she gets so serious. I will say I expected it to be more peanut buttery. It's definitely more nut heavy and kind of like plain nuts too. But it's pretty good. I just don't know that I would buy this again. These, on the other hand, insane. Bacon and Brussels sprouts. I wasn't planning on mixing the bacon and Brussels sprouts together, but honestly, that just clicked for me and that sounds amazing. Baby Dutch potatoes, because I love having these as a side for dinner. Honey roasted peanuts. Sliced roast chicken. It's ready to eat already, which is amazing. So I feel like this will be really good for weekday lunches. Orange juice, waffle fries, and frozen chicken tenders. They have the best frozen chicken tenders ever. Pineapple salsa, and then just some chicken breast. Oh, and then we also got these sugared rice cracker hearts. Let's try one of these. It honestly tastes like baby food, like the little baby rice crackers that you give when your child's screaming their fucking head off in a restaurant. Not the biggest fan. That is my very realistic grocery haul. We've got some healthy things, we've got some unhealthy things. Like I said, it's all about balance. Olive, not one of these things are for you. Would you like a treat? Get down. Good girl. Oh my god, she's literally standing on her back legs. What the fuck? Do you guys want to see how serious she gets? Shake. Good girl. Wait. Okay. Good girl. Love you. There's no more. No, there's no more. You're so beautiful, Olive. The other day, Dallas informed me that one of his biggest pet peeves about me is the way that I talk to Olive in my little baby voice because I go, Olive. So I'm hyper aware now and trying to really break that habit. She's just so cute. Now it's time for the nighttime routine. We're going all out. I can't decide if I want to do a hair mask or not. I'm gonna shower, do my skincare. I just brushed my teeth. Dallas is playing video games with his friends tonight, so I want to do the full skincare routine, face mask, and just really enter my self-care era so that I can wake up better than ever. Season 2 of Night Agent also just came out on Netflix, which I'm so excited about, so I'm probably gonna start that. I also have some work that I want to finish up before I go to bed. I want to finish editing my nighttime vlog. For TikTok, I sneakily vlogged a lot of my Pilates class. I made sure that I didn't get anyone else in the class on camera because I feel like that's the main reason why they don't want you to film it. People don't really like to be filmed while they're working out, obviously, but I get to pick my angles, make sure that it's me hitting the perfect form every single time. Just got done eating dinner. I planned on eating something healthy, but we had pizza instead, but it was really fucking bomb. I got the pesto pizza from Trader Joe's. So good. I've been in this workout set all day and I'm not gonna lie, I'm having sensory overload right now. I hate being in tight clothes that are suffocating me all day. I cannot wait to get these off and change into comfy clothes. Clearly, as of recently, I have a new favorite pajama set. It's the PJs by PJ. I'm obsessed with them. I've been wearing the tank top. Tonight I'm wearing the long sleeve and I'm obsessed with them. They're just so good. They're so soft and so comfy. Hi, do you have your toy? Drop. Good girl, sit. Shake. Very good girl. That's my girl. I didn't end up doing a hair mask, so I think I'm gonna make up for it by doing some red light therapy. My red light mask is in the glam room, so I have to walk past Alice while he's playing his video games. I'm praying that they're not FaceTiming or anything. I'll be right back. Nobody saw me other than Dallas, thank God. And honestly, he was so unfazed. He didn't even look at me or pay attention to me. Guess I can share him with the boys for one night. I've got little Ollie on my lap. Baby Bay is on the floor right now. I'm currently doing a red light therapy mask. This is from Dr. Dennis Gross. I'm gonna do an overnight collagen mask here in a little bit. I don't usually sleep with it just because I kind of get overstimulated and it starts to drive me a little bit crazy by the time I'm going to bed. I really like to let it sit for a few hours and it's so good. You can also get them from Amazon. They're so cheap, or TikTok shop. Oh my God, did it just die? Olive is so obsessed with sniffing this. She's like so confused right now. It's mommy! It's mommy! Yeah! She's, oh my God. Olive? Oh no, oh no. Ow. Olive? Not for you, but you can smell it. I hope that you guys don't get sick of seeing Olive in all of my vlogs. I think she's the cutest, most perfect, sweetest angel literally in the entire world, but I feel like everyone thinks that about their dog. If you guys are ever sick of seeing her, please let me know. Because I know what it's like when someone's constantly showing you their baby or their animals and you're like, oh my God, cute, yeah, it's so nice. She's just so cute. I can't help it. She's getting so big. It's crazy. She was just a little nugget when we adopted her. She was literally the size of her head now. I guess since this mask died, I'm gonna go ahead and do the collagen mask. Oh my God. Am I that weak? The fuck? What? I don't know why I cannot get it right now. Do I have scissors in here? There we go. I was gonna say, this is embarrassing. I just worked out too. Why do they put eyes on these masks? Like, clearly no one is using this part of the mask. Mask is on. I already feel like I'm rebuilding my collagen. It feels so nice. That's not the most relaxing thing in the world, but this is what keeps the peace around here, so we're just gonna live with it. Like, okay, girl. I just got done with my editing for the night. It's 9:45. I still have some work that I need to do in the morning, but I feel like I'm tapped out for today. I got so much editing done today. I didn't film any sit-down videos. I was just doing vlogs all day for YouTube and TikTok. More so just backhand type of things that I was working on today. Between the editing, emails, admin type of work. Watched some TikToks for a little bit. Now I think I'm about to start the Night Agent and I can't stop thinking about a sweet treat. I think I have to go out there one more time so that I can get a little sweet treat. I don't know why I'm scared to walk past my boyfriend when he's gaming with his friends. Like, 1, 2, 3. Finally ready to start the Night Agent and I'm so excited. Last season was so good. If you guys haven't watched it yet, you definitely should. I highly suggest it. I'm not kidding. I think I binged it in 2 days. Yay!